Backyard pools are awesome, but the classic ones are complicated. They're massive, complex to install, and not easy to maintain at all. Thankfully, above-ground pools are the perfect compromise. Sure, they don't look as nice, but you can pack them up and move them out whenever you want. Not to mention how much easier they are to maintain and how way cheaper these things are. So today, we'll talk about above-ground pools. We'll explain that the top options on the market include excellent value for money, combined with extra features like corrosion resistance and maximum ease of use. Anyway, before we tell you what our top picks are, please make sure to use our links. They will take you to the latest discount for every product we talk about. Let's get going now. Number 6. Funsicle Round Oasis Designer Best Aesthetics. We want to get this one going with the Round Oasis Designer Pool from Funsicle. This thing won't just fit into your backyard, it will transform it. This pool is a mixture of aesthetics and function. It all starts with its gorgeous dark double rattan liner. We're looking at a unique vibe that gives your outdoor space that touch of luxury very few above-ground models can. And then, the bright honeycomb interior puts a splash of fun into the mix. Moving on from the cool looks, setup is a breeze with this pool because it has a set of Smart Connect poles. Now these poles just snap together while making a satisfying click, so you never have to waste time wrestling with those complicated instructions and manuals. And despite the cool looks, the durability will not take a back seat to style with this model. The pool has an ultra-strong oval metal frame. It's coated with an anti-corrosive matte finish, so the pool stands up to the elements year after year. Also included in the package is an SFX 1500 Skimmer Plus filter pump. It will keep your water crystal clear with really a minimal effort. You also get a pool cover and a maintenance kit. Other parts of the package include the SureStep ladder so anyone can get in and out of the pool safely. This pool is not just a pretty face, it's a complete package that's very well-rounded. A big thumbs up, guys! Number 5. Eva Joy Metal Frame Swimming Pool Set. Easy maintenance. Moving on, we already mentioned that maintenance is a major hassle with just about all pool types. If you want an above-ground model that's easy to maintain, this Eva Joy model is where it's at. The hassle-free setup with this thing requires only 3 very simple steps. First, you lay it out on a flat surface. Anyone can do that. Then assemble the frame. Pretty much anyone can do this as well. And then fill it with water. Again, anyone with a source of water can do this. The bottom line is that Eva Joy is straightforward enough that you can have it ready in less than 30 minutes, even if you're not too savvy or experienced. With the easy setup out of the way, we have to praise the stability of this model. Far too many pools in this category can wobble or tip. The Eva Joy, though, has a very stable frame that is supported by 3-layer PVC bands. These bands make sure that the pool's legs stay put at all times. Again, this level of stability is something you typically will not find in lower-end models. When it comes to durability, the PVC construction is designed to withstand tears and punctures. And then the galvanized steel frame is powder-coated on both sides so it can deal with rust and corrosion. The package includes a 2,000 gallons per hour sand filter pump. It has a 7-way valve and pressure gauge to filter out dirt and debris. The bottom line is that you will enjoy crystal clear water day after day. Number 4. Bestway Steel Pro Max. Excellent value. The next product we want to talk about comes from Bestway and goes by the name of Steel Pro Max. It offers the best value on the market right now easily. This specific model measures 18 feet in diameter and is 48 inches deep. That's spacious enough for a whole family fun. But still, the pool remains manageable for most backyards, no problem. It's crafted both with kids and adults in mind. The pool has a steel frame that is reinforced with the FrameLink system. This technology delivers enough strength to fully secure connections. No worries about this thing collapsing, even when it gets rowdy. And yes, this is a level of durability we typically find in higher-end models. The pool has a DuraPlus 3-ply PVC liner for extra durability. It's designed to withstand the wear and tear, plain and simple. Also included in the package is a support band that will reinforce the walls of the pool. Moving on from durability, setup and maintenance is also very easy. The assembly is simple with no tools needed. And taking this thing down for off-season storage is just as easy. The package includes a 1,500-gallon filter pump to keep the water clean, plus a ladder for easy access, and even a cover to protect the pool when not in use. Considering the price, that is very impressive. Thumbs up! Number 3. Aquarian DIY Steel Frame Pool. Most durable. Up next, meet the Aquarian DIY model, the best option if you want your pool to be durable. This model has a size of 21 feet in diameter and 52 inches in height. That is enough size for families and gatherings. But what sets this model apart is its top-tier build quality. The pool has 6-inch steel top rails and 5-inch vertical pillars. In plain terms, these secure a much better structural integrity than most options on the market. These components are very sturdy and make this model stand out so much compared to budget-friendly models. Moving on, the walls are made using corrosion-resistant galvanized steel. This is a major upgrade from standard materials in our book, because those materials tend to succumb to rust over time. The pool will maintain its strength and appearance for many seasons. The setup is easy peasy too. The pool is DIY friendly, as the name indicates. The resin connectors are high impact, while the robust steel rails will make the assembly process easier. Based on multiple user experience, you can have this pool ready to fill in under 30 minutes, with no professional help needed. Aesthetic appeal is also pretty cool if you ask us. There's the Acadia wall pattern spiced up with cognac accents. The transparent crystal coat frame is there to add a modern touch and make the package very well-rounded and easy to fit any environment. Good stuff! Number 2. Bestway Power Steel Top Large Model. Now, if you have a large backyard or simply want a large above-ground pool, the Power Steel model from Bestway is the one, if you ask us. This thing measures 31 feet 4 inches by 16 feet by 52 inches. That is more than enough for everyone to enjoy. This is very nice for those summer get-togethers. The pool is packed with a Tritech 3-layer liner. It is significantly more robust than standard PVC. Specifically, it's 15% more tear-resistant, 33% more stretch-resistant, and a whopping 83% more puncture-resistant. Wow! As a support for this massive pool, the company added a corrosion-resistant steel frame designed with the company's proprietary seal and lock system. This simple feature ensures strong connections and prevents rust. That would be a critical advantage over many pools that suffer from rusty frames over time. No tools are required for setup, and the package also includes a top-tier 2,200 gallons per hour sand filter pump that will keep the water clean and clear. You also get a ChemConnect dispenser that helps you maintain chlorine levels that are properly balanced. The package includes a sturdy ladder for easy access, plus a smooth pool cover for protection when not in use. The printing is a stylish ripple mosaic on the liner. It looks elegant. The bottom line is quality stuff here. Number 1. Intex Ultra XTR Deluxe Best Overall. Okay, the time has come for you to meet the Intex Ultra XTR Deluxe, the best above-ground pool overall and the clear winner for today. The galvanized steel frame is nothing short of premium tier here, and so is the precision-engineered locking system. The pool is very durable and stable. Those budget options out there, they wobble and shift. The Intex Ultra XTR Deluxe holds firm and gives you a peace of mind. The assembly is 100% user-friendly because this model has the Easy Lock system. This means that no tools are required for assembly. All you have to do is snap the frame components together and you will be all ready to go. In terms of durability, well, it extends beyond just the simple frame. The pool has a powder coating on the inner and outer surfaces for maximum rust resistance. The UV-protected T-joints are a very cool touch too. We're looking at a level of protection that is a significant step above the industry norm on the current market. The super tough 3-ply PVC construction is very sturdy. And then, the crystal clear sand filtration system is a true hallmark of excellence, because it will keep your water sparkling clean with far less reliance on chemicals. This thing is the best, guys! Well, we have reached the end of the line for today's journey, guys. Before we go our separate ways, tell us a little something in the comments. Are you looking for a large pool or something that is more well-suited for a smaller yard or a smaller family? Like and subscribe if you enjoyed our guide, and have a nice day!